Right. So we'll do some questions on total in inductive effect, mesomeric effect, and hyperconjugation, acidic nature, basic nature, right? Aromatic compounds. So those things are there. So I'll give you some questions. So just note it down and try to do basic nature of first. We'll do some basic compounds. So then acidic nature, somewhat. Right? We'll finish this GOC today. Okay. So compare basic strength. Put the heading. Compare basic strength. Compare basic strength. Write the questions now. Question number 1. Come on, try it. Right or wrong doesn't matter, okay? బ్లూ బాగుందా, ఇది బాగుందా? హలో అభిక్షిత్, what you have to do, compare basic strength, okay? It is coming in second year also. Done? Done. The first one, ammonia, NH2, this NH2. Imagine this is A, B, C. Let me know which is more basic. So this is, here is NH2 group, acts as a minus ion. So this is also acts as a minus ion. So for basic nature, what we need to have? Basic, right? Basic nature is directly proportional to, so plus M or plus H or plus I, or inversely proportional to minus I, minus M minus H. So particularly in this case, Nana, A greater than, so then oxygen and nitrogen, which is more minus I nature? Oxygen is more minus I because more electronegative. So answer is A, B, C. A, B, C. Basic nature means it has to donate the electron pair. Question number 2. Imagine this is A, this is B, this is C. Imagine this is 3 degree. this is 2 degree, this is 1 degree, right? Obviously what, now let me know. T, obviously 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree. So B, then A, then C. Question number 3. Because it is, right, 1 phenyl group, 2, 3. So more resonating structures. So A, B, C. A, B, C. Next, fourth one. This is A, this is B, then C. Now only I explained. Hello? 3 degree, Nana. This is 2 degree amines. 1 degree amine. Indurance same ఉంటుంది. జనరల్గా 3:1 మనకు అవేమే అంటే ఎక్వస్ కేసులో దాంట్లో చూస్తాం మనం. ఓకే, in aqueous case we'll discuss. Obviously T, then B, then A. T, B, A. Is the green color is clear, right? Is it showing green color? Next, fifth one. Fifth one. You can see clearly, right? Fifth one. Here is more resonating structures, right? So here is more resonating structures. So this lone pair is more engaging with the 2 resonating structures. In this case, only 1, right? So this one. In this case, sixth one, ARB, ARB. Obviously, P. P. Seventh one. So B, because it's having only, right? PA. Next, eighth one. It's participating in the 2 sides resonance, right? So in case of 7th one, this nitrogen is participating with the resonance with this side also. Okay? This side also. But here, only one side, right? So means the lone pairs are not available. Got it? So lone pairs, if they are free, so we can easily donate the electrons. So the same mode here, this lone pair is participating in the resonance this side and this side, whereas in this case, only one side, right? This side is missing. Okay now? Okay. Same inductive effect. Indurance same ఉండదు మా నార్మల్ కేసెస్లో ఉంటాం మనం నార్మల్గా. That doesn't matter. When they are comparing cases, no issues. Especially if they are asking in aqueous or gaseous phase, those cases if they are asking, so then we need to consider like. Right. Write the questions. చెప్తా కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇస్తా. బల్కీ రేస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉండదు, చెప్పాను కదా ఏ టైంలో ఉంటుంది ఏ టైంలో ఉండదని. నార్మల్ కేసులో ఉండదు, బట్ డిఫరెంట్ కేసులో నేను చెప్పాను కదా నేను ఏ కండిషన్లో. నెక్స్ట్ డే ఐ గేవ్ యూ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ రైట్. సో NH2 ఓన్లీ NH2కు ఉండదు. నిన్న ఇచ్చాను కదా ఏ గ్రూప్స్ NH ఏముండదు. ఆ గ్రూప్ అనేది స్మాల్ గ్రూప్ కదా, ఆడుతో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది. SIP ఎఫెక్ట్ అంటాం. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ టుడే. SIR ఎఫెక్ట్, SIP ఎఫెక్ట్, SIP ఎఫెక్ట్. సో SIP ఎఫెక్ట్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్. SIR అనేదేమో స్టీరిక్ ఇనిబిషన్ ఆఫ్ రెజొనెన్స్. SIP ఎఫెక్ట్ అంటే ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ రైట్ నౌ. ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. వాట్ ఈస్ SIP ఎఫెక్ట్? ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. So in these two cases, I'll explain what exactly steric inhibition of proton, steric inhibition of resonance. So NO2, I told you, NO2 which nature? NO2 is which nature? No? Minus M, minus I. And I told you, right? In this case, no. This is which position? Ortho position. Ortho effect is there. Ortho effect nothing but we could say SIP. Steric inhibition of proton means exactly the basic nature, right? Basic nature means, for example, if H plus is coming, nana, it becomes NH3 plus, right, NO2 from this one, NH2. NO2. So it's for example, if taking the H plus, try to understand, because of here in these two cases repulsions are there. Because of repulsions at ortho position, whatever the group is there, repulsions with this proton. So once again the backward reaction is takes place. So that's the reason the basic nature is decreasing. Basic nature is decreasing because of repulsions here. Okay, repulsions. Nothing but we could say ortho effect, right? So now obviously this is least one. Then this is minus M at meta. What happens? Minus M meta, minus M meta 0, right? So minus M meta is 0 means what we have to take? Minus I. In this case minus M. Now tell me, so ABC, ABC, what is the answer? What is the answer? BCA. Write it down. BCA. వెళ్ళదు, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో ఎస్ఐఆర్లో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్లో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేన్ వెళ్ళదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఎస్ఐపి. if it is going the out of plane now, for example, so but NO2 group I told you, is it showing the SIR effect? NO2 group at ortho positions. If both the places, if it is there, so it's going the out of plane. When it is out of plane, it is going, so the bond between benzene, the carbon and nitrogen, right, amines, so there is no resonance, so automatically that is more basic. In case of SIR effect, SIP effect, ortho effect, least basic. Steric inhibition of proton, this is. SIR effect means that is different. So two effects are there, SIR, SIP, both are not same, okay? Hello. So here is ortho effect, here is no SIR effect, so it is in the plane only, but only the repulsions are there. Because of the repulsions, it is in the plane only, but what exactly happens, it can't take the H plus, it can't take the H plus. But basic nature ante enti, it has to give the lone pair to someone. For example, in this case proton, someone has to come and take the electrons, right? So H plus వచ్చి తీసుకుంది, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, ఇట్స్ నాట్ కంఫర్టబుల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ రిపల్షన్స్. సో దెన్ కంఫర్ట్ లేదు, వాడు ఫ్రీగా ఆఫర్ చేసిండు ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ని, రైట్? పోయింది, తీసుకున్న తర్వాత కంఫర్ట్ లేదు అక్కడ, అని నీ వద్రా బాబు అని చెప్పేసి ఇచ్చేసి మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఆర్థో పొజిషన్లో. అదే మెటాపారా కేసులో ఏముండదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? బట్ ఎస్ఐఆర్ ఎఫెక్ట్లో ఏమవుతుంది, మరీ బల్కీ ఉండడం వల్ల నేను ఉండలేను రా బాబు ఈ ప్లేన్లో, ఐల్ గో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేన్, రైట్? అసలు మీతో సంబంధమే లేదని చెప్పేసి వేరే ప్లేన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఫ్రీగా ఉంటుంది అప్పుడు, మోర్, రైట్, మోర్ బేసిక్. గాట్ ఇట్? SIR ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ కాదు. SIR ఇస్ నాట్ ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ బేసిక్ కేసెస్. SIP అని అంటాం. Ortho effect, one of the part of, in case of SD cases, one of the part, that is. In basic cases, it's not because see, all are not same. If I'm giving 1 point, so that is not applicable to all the points, right? That's the reason I keep on telling n number of examples I'm just giving you to avoid the confusion, right? So 10th question, chlorine. Yeah, A, B, C. Obviously it is ortho effect, steric inhibition, resonance is there, so ortho effect is for chlorine is having which nature? Only minus I ortho, this is minus I meta, this is minus I para. Actually what is the chlorine nature? Chlorine is minus I greater than plus M. Plus M is there, but we are not considering the plus M. Okay, minus I is dominating in this case, where chlorine case. So what is the answer? CBA. CBA. Any doubts you can ask me. Okay. Next, 11th one. OCH3 nature is which nature? Plus M minus I. Plus M minus I. Right, particularly in this case, what exactly happens? Ortho effect is there. Here is what? Minus I, because at meta position, plus M is equals to 0. And here is obviously plus M. So ABC, let me know. First, basic nature, I keep on telling, right? Donating groups are more favorable. Then only it can donate more and more electrons, right? So first, obviously, which one, Anna? Which one? C plus M. Then minus I, right? Then ortho effect. But I told you, what I told. This is the somewhat exceptional case. In this case, minus I, actually this is what? Plus M minus I ortho effect. But in this case, they experimentally determined that. Experimentally exceptional case this is. So exceptional case. Exceptional, write it down. Exceptional case. So actually answer is C, A, B. Okay? Exception. Because we need to have the fundamentals, then only we can. OCH3 nature we should know first. What is plus M, what is minus I. And NH2, what exactly it needs? It needs donating groups. What exactly donating groups means what? Plus M, plus H, plus I. Then neutral molecule. Then minus I, minus H, minus M. Okay? So write it down, do it yourself. Whether it is right or wrong doesn't matter. Okay? So if it is right, be happy. If it is wrong, so be very happy, because you can learn more and more things. Doing the mistakes is good. Okay? Now in the classroom you can do the n number of mistakes. ఎన్ని మిస్టేక్స్ చేస్తే మనం అంత నేర్చుకున్నట్టు. నాకు అసలు మిస్టేక్సే పోవద్దు, నేను అంత చూసిన ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ రైట్ చేయాలంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ రాదు. లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ హియర్, రైట్? 12th one. CCl3 just consider only minus I. Simple. Minus I and ortho effect una same. Come on, do it. Right? Ikkada obviously what is there? Ortho effect untadi. This is minus I. Right? Here also minus I. Should be close or should be far away? Which one would be better? Minus I. Far away. Right? A, B, C. Right? First what nana? Minus I should be far away better, because it needs plus I groups. Basic nature wants plus I group. మనకు కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు పక్కన దగ్గర ఉన్నారనుకోండి బెటర్. మనం వద్దనుకున్న వాళ్ళు, మనం డిస్టర్బ్ చేసేటోళ్ళు దూరంగా ఉంటే బెటరా, దగ్గర ఉంటే బెటరా? దూరంగా ఉండాలి. సో ఇక్కడ పారా పొజిషన్స్ అంటే దూరంగా ఉన్నారు, రైట్? సో ఫార్ అవే. బట్ వేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ సమ్వాట్ క్లోజ్, రైట్? సో సి, దెన్ బి, దెన్ ఏ. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్లస్ ఐ, సో మీన్స్ ఇట్ బి క్లోజర్. మనకు హెల్ప్ చేసేటోళ్ళు మనకు దగ్గర ఉండాలి, మనకి హాని చేసేటోళ్ళు దూరంగా ఉండాలి. సింపుల్, నథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్, జస్ట్ సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. అండ్ మైనస్ ఐ ప్యూర్లీ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ డిస్టెన్స్. whenever the plus m is not affecting, right, simply try to understand, right? Inductive effect purely depends on distance. Inductive effect purely depends on distance. Inductive effect purely depends on distance. Next, 13th one. Tell me the answer. So here is some, obviously SIP effect is there, right? SIP effect, so means ortho effect. Here is plus I nature, here is plus H nature, plus H, right? Plus H, plus I, ortho effect. What is the answer? C, B, A. Same like plus H plus M is same, both are acting as a same. So plus H you can consider like same plus M. So means plus M ortho is equals to plus M para, like plus H ortho is equals to plus H para, at plus H meta position is 0. So for CH3 group I told you what is the nature nana? Plus H plus I. So meta position plus H is equals to 0, right? Meta position, at meta position plus H, right? H is equals to 0. That's the reason we'll take plus I. Same like H and M both are same, but power is somewhat less. mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation. I told you Mercedes, Honda City. So both are what? Luxury vehicles only, but Mercedes is somewhat powerful than the Honda City. The remaining features all are same, seating capacity and all. Huh? Only minus IV. దాని నేచర్ అది, దాని మైనస్ని ప్లస్ ఎట్లా కావాలంటే ఎట్లా చేస్తాం మనం? ఒకదానికి ఒక నేచర్ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నీ పేరేంటి? ఋత్విక్ని రణ్ధీర్ చేయాలంటే అవుతుందా? నీ నేచర్ అదే కాదు, అట్లా CCl3 ఆ మైనస్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఇది ప్లస్ అయి నేచర్ ఉంటుంది. దాని నేచర్ అదే, దీని నేచర్ ఇది. ప్లస్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ అర్థం కావాలి నీకు, ఇంతకు ముందు నుంచి అదే చెప్తున్నా. బేసిక్ నేచర్కి ఎవరు కావాలి? డొనేటింగ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు కావాలి. డొనేటింగ్ చేసేటోళ్ళు ఎవరు? +m, డొనేటింగ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు +m, +h, +i. వీళ్ళు ఉండాలి. వీళ్ళు ఎంత దగ్గరగా, ఎంత ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటే ఎక్కువ అంత డొనేటింగ్ చేసేటోళ్ళు. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? అంతే. ఫస్ట్ దీనికి డొనేటింగ్ చేసేటోళ్ళు కావాలా, అండ్ దట్ వీ నాట్ నో విచ్ నేచర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. 2 things are important. What exactly it needs? What is the nature, the group which is directly attached? Favorable unte close ఉంటుంది. For example, if I am speaking about the inductive effect, దానికి కావాలి +i గ్రూప్. నేను అదే చెప్పినా. ఇప్పుడు నాకు హెల్ప్ కావాలా, సో నాకు డొనేట్ చేసేటోళ్ళు క్లోజ్గా ఉన్నారనుకోండి, బెటర్. నాకు అసలే అవసరం ఉంది, నా దగ్గరే లాక్కునేటోడు ఉండనుకో, ఏమవుతుంది? దగ్గర ఉంటే బెటరా, దూరంగా ఉంటే బెటరా? దూరంగా ఉంటే బెటర్. అంత కామన్ సెన్స్ రా, దాంట్లో పెద్ద సైన్స్ ఏం లేదు. దెర్ ఇస్ నో రాకెట్ సైన్స్. కొంచెం ఫస్ట్ అంటే వీ నీడ్ టు నో దట్ ఫండమెంటల్స్ ఫస్ట్. ఇఫ్ వీ డోంట్ నో ద ఫండమెంటల్స్, సో దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ is seems to be confusing. Don't by heart. First NH2, what is basic nature, what it needs, and which groups are directly attached, what is their nature. If we know clearly, so we can easily solve the question. If something is missing, if we don't know its nature, if we don't know basic nature, if anything, so automatically what exactly happens? You can't solve the question. Yeah, it's easy question. So this is, దీనికి ఏం నేచర్ ఉంటుందిరా? -m. దీనికి ఏం నేచర్ ఉంటుంది? +m. దీనికి ఏం నేచర్ ఉంటుంది? -i. Now it's easy, right? NH2 it needs donating groups. Which one is donating group? OCH3, right? So ABC, so B first, then -m and -i. వీడు కొంచెం లాగుకుంటాడు, వీడు మరీ ఎక్కువ లాగుతాడు, వీడు మోర్ పవర్ఫుల్. ఎన్నుకుంటున్నా ఇప్పుడు నీ దగ్గర లేవు, ఒకడు కొంచెం లాక్కుంటుండు, ఒకడు మొత్తం లాక్కుంటుండు, రైట్? నీ దగ్గర ఒకటే యాపిల్ ఉంది, ఒకడు వచ్చి కొంచెం హాఫ్ పార్ట్ ఏదో కొంచెం లాక్కొని పోయిండు, ఆడ మొత్తం యాపిల్ లాక్కొని పోయేటోడు వీడేమో కొంచెం లాక్కొని పోతాడు, ఇది ఎక్కువ లాక్కొని పోతాడు. ఎవడు బెటరు? కొంచెం లాక్కుపోయేటోడు, రైట్? అర్థమవుతుందా? PCA. వీడి నేను నిన్న చెప్పా, వాట్ ఐ టోల్డ్, మనకు అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు, రైట్, మనకు హెల్ప్ చేసేటోళ్ళు బెటర్. ఇంకో కండిషన్ చెప్పా, వాడు హెల్ప్ చేయకపోయినా పర్లేదు, మన దగ్గర ఉన్నది లాక్కోకపోతే చాలు, రైట్? సరే లాక్కుంటున్నాడు, లాక్కుంటే ఏం చేయాలా? కొంచెం లాక్కుంటే ఓకే, ఇంకెక్కువ లాక్కుంటే ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కాంటెక్స్ట్, సింపుల్. Got it? So we need electrons. If no need to help, but don't drag from us, right? This is exactly the condition. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Yes. 15th one. Very less basic, somewhat more basic this. So ABC is the answer. ABC is the answer, right? Now, More ortho effect, generally I told you, if more ortho effect, less basic, least basic. More ortho effect, least basic, that should be less actually. In these two cases, 16th one, so here is ortho effect is there. If the ortho effect is there, less basic, right? Basic nature, what I am speaking. It won't take the H plus. The last question. In this case, what happens? SIR effect is possible. Where SIR effect is possible? First case. So, which is more basic? First one. Good. Got it? Because this is going out of plane. It's going out of plane, right? It is free to donate. But in this case, what exactly happens? So it is participating in the resonance. Okay. It's participating in the resonance with the benzene. It's busy, but here is no resonance. No resonance. It's going out of plane. Out of plane. No resonance. No resonance. The lone pairs at the nitrogen are free to donate. Free to donate. This is SIR effect. This is ortho effect. Don't confuse. When the ortho effect is there, less basic. When SIR effect is there, most basic. 18. Come on, write the question. One question A, B, C like that. Take A, B, C. Either ring or this, both are same, doesn't matter, okay? Both are benzene solid, don't come. 28. Come on, do it. So 18th one, which is more basic. Come on, tell me. So write it down. Cyclic amine, this is right. Cyclic amines. Cyclic amines are more basic than alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compounds if degree is same. Degree is same. So means this is 3 degree now. This is also 3 degree. In this case, ring flipping is there, takes place. So means what? This total inversion is takes place. Inversion. So this is busy with going up and down. So that's the reason. So cyclic compounds. In this case, if the degree is same, cyclic compounds are more, cyclic amines are more basic than the alicyclic compounds. And in this case particularly, what exactly happens? Flipping. For example, here is also flipping is there. For example, this is there. What exactly happens? Flipping means they're coming down and it's going up. Just keep on interconverting. Done? Next, 19th one. ABC. Come on. Tell me the answer.
ABC.
Right, this lone pair is participating in the resonance because of aromatic nature. This lone pair is somewhat free, right? This lone pair is participating in the resonance. Okay, these two lone pairs are participating in the resonance, but in these two cases, obviously A is because these electrons are free. But in this case, B and C, but these are essential, compulsory. But these lone pairs are no need to get there. Already it's aromatic nature, right? So ABC. ABC. 20th one. Come on. Tell me the answer. Right? ABCD. So lone pair. Here is also lone pair. So lone pair in this case, this is which hybridization? sp3. So this is sp2. This is sp3. This is sp2. It is participating in the resonance. Right. So now A, B, C, D. No? So first is which is coming? A is coming first. Fine. So then we'll go with the C, because here is minus I nature is there because of this one. sp3. So first AC, then PD. AC, PD. Come on, write it down. AC, BD. Important questions, bro. Next. Yeah, 21. Tell me, ABC, which one, bro? Hello. A, C, B. ACP is the right answer. Hello. Tell me this answer. Amit Raj. In this case, more SIR effect, right? When the SIR effect is there, what? More basic. There is somewhat less SIR, no SIR. Got it? ABC. (23) Nana. Come on. ABC. So this is important. This lone pairs donating first is not participating in the resonance, but this lone pair is participating in the resonance. This lone pair also participating in the resonance. Right? So the first is coming A. So then B and C. So which is more resonating structure? C, because this is oxygen. Oxygen is what? More electronegative. So A, B, C. These are highly participating in the resonance. These are somewhat less. These are very less. Okay? Enti? So double bond, whenever the double bond is N is there, right? NH, low. So this won't participate in the resonance. Already double bond character is there, right? So these are participating in the resonance. In these cases, this is more resonance, this is somewhat less when we compare the two cases. 24 is easy, right? Yeah, 24. Obviously, AB, because this is full plus M, but here is, it is having the two resonating structures. The electrons are moving this side and this side, so obviously, so OCH3, this I already explained in the earlier case. 25th is important, right? Why BA?
No, man.
Here is minus M. Here is minus M, but this because of which nature is there? SIR. So it's going out of plane. So means resonance is missing. When the resonance is missing, no minus M. Right? Out of plane. Resonance is missing. No minus M. Only minus I. Only minus I. 26 obviously easy question. Ortho effect because only less I nature. 27th is important. So this is which degree, Nana? 2 degree. This is which degree? 3 degree. So both the cases SIR effect is there, but obviously 3 degrees more. First we need to see the degree. 3 degree then 2 degree. 3 degree and 2 degree only will show the SIR effect. Very important one, because I gave you a number of questions, different types of questions I just collected at one place. This is all are 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree. So bulkiness, more SIR like this.